Welcome to our channel. Traveling safely in unfamiliar places requires preparation and awareness. Step 1. Research your destination's safety situation through official travel advisories. Step 2. Register with your country's embassy or consulate upon arrival. Step 3. Learn about local laws and customs to avoid unintentional violations. Step 4. Keep emergency contact numbers saved in your phone and written down. Step 5. Share your itinerary with family or friends back home. Step 6. Use hotel safes for passports and valuables when not needed. Step 7. Avoid walking alone in unfamiliar areas after dark. Step 8. Learn basic phrases in the local language for emergency situations. Step 9. Dress modestly and respectfully according to local customs. Step 10. Stay informed about local news and avoid areas with civil unrest. Step 11. Keep digital and physical copies of important documents. Step 12. Trust local advice about which areas to avoid. Step 13. Purchase comprehensive travel insurance with medical and emergency evacuation coverage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.